Mara stock finally hits the bottom and is starting to recover. Welcome to the Investing for Beginners community. I'm your host, Johnny, and in today's video, we're doing a quick briefing, a quick update on Mara. Now, we have been tracking Mara for quite some time now. We have actually been able to get some significant gains, like one of these days back February 26th, where we had a 15% profit in a single day. Now, since then, it has been slightly selling off, and now we are finally seeing the true bottom that Mara has here at 17.10, which created a great buy opportunity pre-market hours today on Friday, March 15th. And already since the pre-market, it is up 10%, guys, 10% in a single day. So that would be $100 on $1,000 investment. Now, there is showing some signs of a pullback. It is getting along the lines with the EMA here, but what is the potential profit of a company that has lost over 50% of its total assets within just a matter of 2 weeks, okay? They're not going to have it. Wall Street isn't going to have it. Mara isn't going to have it. The investors aren't going to have it. A 50% loss on their total value in 2 weeks. Guys, that is just insane. Now, what can we do and how do we take this as an opportunity to buy shares and load up, guys, okay? Now, I can never tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. That's not what I do here. All I can do is show you what I'm doing to beat the stock market this year. Now, guys, there's a great opportunity. Like I said, there's already a 10% increase right now. It just went up to 11% as I started this video. Now, it is oversold on the RSI indicator at about 39 when we're using the 4-hour chart. Now, it is extremely oversold on the MACD, and it is showing signs of a potential recovery here, okay? So with that potential recovery, what are we looking at? Well, you already missed out on 11% already, but it has a potential to still go up 40 to 55%. 40 to 55% is going to be the target for this company right now. Now, it can get back up to those previous highs of $34 where it was trading just 2 weeks ago, guys. Just 2 weeks ago, this was trading at $34, okay? That's an 83% potential return on your investment. You put $1,000 in, you will make $800 return. Now, doesn't mean it's going to happen. There's nothing to say that it isn't going to maybe hit these resistant levels here, okay? There is a resistant level at the 2087. There's actually one right here at $20, okay? About a 5% potential still. $21 right here, 10% potential, and $22 is a 15% potential. If it were to hit the $22 or $25 mark here, which was just a matter of a couple days ago, that is a 31% potential. So guys, you already know I loaded up. I bought some down here at the $17 mark, and as it goes up, I will be adding more and more to my position size. Now, currently we have about 25 shares in this company at $18, so nothing crazy, nothing to write home about. But if it passes this next indication line right here, as you can see, previous resistance levels turn into support levels. And so if it can pass some of these key areas here of resistance, then I will be buying even more. I'll be buying at the $20 mark and possibly even at the $21, $22 mark to potentially sell around either 25 if it doesn't go up as high, or hold and potentially sell at the $30 to $35 mark area. Now, we could just ride this up and get up to here if we wanted to, around the $30 mark. So again, and you can lock in profits, right? We've already made 10% today on Mara, which is just fantastic. We also made some money on SQQQ because there are signs of it pulling back as well. So we were already able to make 5% on that. I did do an early morning live stream video this morning, going over the entire SQQQ, and as you can see, they're just steadily staying above that EMA line, which is just fantastic, guys. Look how high above it is on the EMA and the SMA. Now, that's not good for the overall market because SQQQ trades against the market. So as you can see, QQQ is having a nice little sell-off day. It did just blow right through our buy zone areas. So now previous support will now become future resistance levels, and now those resistance levels are going to be hard to break. As you can see here, this is a new area of resistance, possible support as well. So we will see what happens as time goes on. Now, SQQ does have the potential to go down even further, but as you can see here, it is right along with that SMA line. It's right at that SMA line. So it did pass it, which just blew through, showing signs of a sell-off. Now, if you guys want to catch any of my future videos, definitely subscribe to the channel, smash that like button to show that you find value in this. But the main point is smash that subscribe button so that way you can know when I do these live streams and anytime I do videos like this covering or updating the market. Now, with that said, guys, you're also going to want to start your investing journey if you haven't already with MooMoo, WeBull, or Robinhood. All three links are down below. You could sign up, get free shares, get interest on your uninvested cash, and you can get the potential and the accessibility to use all of these platforms. Now, I do have all three of these accounts open, and you should also have multiple accounts as well. If you want to learn how to grow your account, then you can simply just subscribe, join our private Facebook group, over 70,000 members, and you can even join our Discord. Now, guys, I do want to show that you know, taking a small account from a few years ago at $300, a little less than that, and making a consistent 1 to 3% profit every single day can eventually add up to a large amount of money here. As you can see, $30,000 account now is what I comfortably trade with, and at the end of the month, I will then take the money out. So we are looking at 3% is $900 compared to 3% of 300, which is $9. So it's the same amount, same percent. 3% is my daily goal, 1 to 3%, 10% a week, and 40% a month. That can really grow your account exponentially over time. Now, as you can see here, I'm finally starting to pay myself. I just withdrew $500 on the 11th, which was on Monday, which was just fantastic, guys. This is just a small amount of money that I'm able to withdraw right now due to being able to finally understand the market and make some huge potential profits. Now, I did change my strategy from long-term investing, making 8 to 10% a year, to actually making 10% a week. Okay, and how did I do that? Well, it all starts with understanding your long-term account setup and exactly what you want to do. So real quick, we are going to go over that. Where is it? Okay, right here. As you can see, guys, my long-term account setup time frame foundation area would be, foundation is 60% at a 3 to 10 year time frame. Now, the risk is very low, and the reward is about only 5 to 8% a year, average about 10% a year. Now, with individual stocks, 20% of my account, I can make anywhere from 10 to 100% within 1 to 5 years. Swing trades, I use 10% of my money, which is mainly my Robinhood account portfolio. That has my 10% of money. So if I have $30,000, 10% of that is $3,000. So $3,000 is my high risk account where I swing and day trade. Now, with that, I can make 5 to 50% in a week or 3 weeks. And when I day trade, I can make anywhere from 2% to even 100% in a single day, guys. So this really gives me an opportunity to grow this account exponentially over time while still having somewhat of a safe, low risk on most of my potential account. So as you can see here, 80% of my overall $30,000 is low risk, low to medium risk companies that I believe in, that I hold long term. And then the other 20%, 15 to 20% is extremely high risk plays, swing trades, day trades that make me the majority of my money, which helps increase that account size. If I'm putting in $3,000 and make 100%, that's $6,000. Then I could then take the $3,000 out, take a little money, pay myself, and then put some money into the long-term foundationary account. Now, why am I telling you this? Well, I'm only telling you this simply because I want you to learn and grow and use this as a guide to make you money this year in the stock market. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, financial guru, or anything like that. I'm just a guy who likes to talk about stocks and is just hanging out right now in his office. So I appreciate your time, appreciate your support. Subscribe, check out my live streams. I will be live every Monday morning for free to all my YouTube subscribers. I may consider trading every single day, but with only YouTube members and subscribers that pay. So if you want to get involved early access, definitely subscribe to the channel and get those free live day tradings on Mondays. And then if you find value in it, then you can then join us and become a member. It's only going to be $5 a month, and you could watch me day trade live Monday through Friday and ask me questions and get involved and really see why I'm doing what I'm doing. So thank you guys for your support. We are just shy of 4,000 subscribers. So do me a favor and subscribe today and become part of this awesome community that is just growing exponentially like I want our bank accounts to. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoy your weekend, and we will see you in today's recap, Friday's recap at 2 o'clock, and then we'll see you Monday morning for that free live day trading session. Thank you guys again. We will see you in the next one. And remember, don't get caught holding the bag. Use them stop losses, trailing stop limit orders, so that you can succeed and become profitable as a trader and investor. You guys have a great day.